What are the biblical principles for financial management? Why has this text come up? Because remember, our topic is the secret to success. Okay? So remember, a Christian life revolves around all these topics that we have touched, including the financial management as well. Okay. 2 Corinthians 9:7. Let each one give as he purposes in his heart, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loves what kind of giver? A cheerful giver. As only you were sharing to me on last Saturday night about Soli and all these things. When we give for God, we give from our heart. And once we give, we do not boast, we do not talk, we do not advertise. How much do you give? Oh, I give more than you. I give 10 times more than you. No. There are a lot of stories in the Bible that supports this, being a cheerful giver. Christians, if you want to become a successful Christian, come to church, come with your Soli, the tithe. And in that way you'll understand, why am I doing this? Because I love this God, right? I'm supporting His work, His ministry. I'm returning His blessings that He blessed me and my family during the week, okay? So to be a successful Christian life, finance plays a very, very important role. Will a man rob God? This is a very powerful text found in Micah 3:8. Will a man rob God? Yet you have robbed me. But you say, in what way have we robbed you, Lord? In what? Tithes and offerings. Yeah, I remember that story. You know, some stories, some experiences will be with you for the rest of your life. As I said, I used to help the elders when I first started my job in the church in Lambasa to make the roster for people masu-masu, helping the preacher, tirara and all that. And then one day after Sabbath, as I was about to pin the list of the new list for the next week, the district director came over to me, tal skeli from Wenibuka. And he looked around, nobody was watching. And then he set me down there on the table, everybody was gone. And then he took his pen, and he marked 3 names. I was watching, and he saw my eyes confused, and then he explained to me. Tau, orto naturang go, orto siyang nindaw Soli katini. Na ibola tambo itu kuna, oira siyang ni Soli katini, era muta butako. So, enadala, metu bakatara, mindu nandaw butako, malay tu na tutuni bunaw, gay bunaw dira na bonilindo. From that day, mana, one of the powerful sermons I've ever had. One of the powerful. And that's true, Sonny. That's very true. If you are not faithful in returning what God's, how can you come and lead? How can you come and give instructions to people? It's been here. And I know it'll be here till the day I die. Very true. Very, very true. Okay? We rob God every week in and week out. And yet you call ourselves Christians? Tithes are a test of our what? Honesty, while offerings are a test of what? Generosity. Please remember this sentence. Mark this. Tithes are a test of honesty, while offering are a test of our generosity. Maybe.